Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here I'm standing up to present about my group's major is about phenomenology in qualitative research. Alright, so before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Gilang Aksa Perdana. I'm a moderator for my group, and here I will present about a definition, research subject or object for phenomenology and technique data collection or data collection technique exactly. We say that, right? So before that, I would like to introduce my groups also. My group's name, the first one is by Dewi Rahma and Epi Susirani Cahyati. Last one is Sri Huril Ani. For other major, it will be presented by them. Okay, so without taking along, for definition of phenomenology is the study of experiences and how they are formed. The experiences in the question is subjective experience. The study was intended for expose the analogy of the phenomenon occurring in the community. Then, for research subject or object, actually we have an example for it. For doing something like phenomenology that we can take from someone's experience exactly. The someone is become a subject and an object is the experience of the someone that we tell about. And the next one, for research subject or object, qualitative research with a phenomenological model according to Douglas 1984 in Croswell 2007 is recommend studying 3 until 10 subjects and in one phenomenology. Meanwhile, the second one is according to Hardiansa 2011 non-random sampling method with purposeful sampling and purposeful sampling is a technique without random in which that selection of subjects is adjusted to the purpose of the study. Right, for research subject that we can take from someone, for example, that we make something like research of phenomenon that we make the first one that we have to do to get a subject or object, we have to make a question like doing something like interview or observation exactly, that we can take the title of that report to get a phenomenology of someone that we make them being our object or subject, right? For that is research subject or object. The next one is data collection technique of Marshall Sugiono 2010 states that through observation the researcher learns behavior and the meaning of those behavior. Observation techniques are activities carried out to observe, record and document every indicator of the process and the results achieved. Right. For the data technique collection exactly, there are around 3 or 5 that we can use. Is like interview or observation. Then we do something like analyze something. Then document, take a picture for being a proof that we have done something like research. Maybe that's all from me. And Muhammad Gilang Aksa Perdana as moderator here. Back to you. And the next explanation is from my friend. Thank you.
Technique data collection. Marcel Sugiono, 2019, 16 stated that dog observation, the reason children behavior and the meaning to test behavior. Observation techniques are activities carried out to observe, record, and document every indicator of the process and the result. Interview expressed in Sugiono 2017. 2017 defines the interview as follows: a meaning of to person to action, information and idea to question and response, resulting in the combination and joint contrastation of meaning about to particular topic. Interview is a meaning of two people to change information and idea to question and answer, so that meaning can be concentrated in a particular topic. Interview to be consistent with recent subject of respondents.
Research instruments are tools needed or used to collect data. Nasution Sugiono, 2013, said that in qualitative research, there is no other choice than making humans the main research instrument. The reason is that things do not yet have a definite form. The problem, the focus of study, the research procedure, the hypothesis used, and even the expected result cannot be determined with certainty and clearly in advance. Everything still needs to be developed throughout the research. In this situation, which is completely uncertain and unclear, there is no other choice, and only the researcher himself as the only tool can achieve it. So that is why in qualitative research, the main instrument for collecting data is humans themselves. Because humans are tools who are sensitive to all stimulus from their surrounding. Uh, in addition, humans can adapt to all circumstances and can interpret uh, the hypothesis they make and can take conclusion from the data that has been collected. Thank you.
Technique data analysis. The data analysis process begins with reviewing all available data after carrying out the data collection procedure, whether in the form of interviews, observation, or interviews that have previously been written in filed notes, document, or photos. In this process, there are several data analysis models in qualitative research. The first is the Miles and Hamberman model, the Spratly model, and the Bogdan and Wiklund model. However, the Spratly data analysis model is more often used for data analysis in this type of ethnographic research because Spratly developed this data analysis to support ethnographic. The first is Miles and Hamberman data analysis model. Miles and Hamberman argued that activities in qualitative data analysis were carried out interactively and continued to completion. Activities in data analysis, namely data reduction, display data, and convolution. Data reducing is the data obtained during in the fields needs to be recorded in detail, reducing data by summarizing and selecting the main points. Data display. After reducing the data, the next steps are present in the form of description, cards, or flow cards. Convolution. The convolution must have strong evidence and can support the research data so that it becomes a credible research result. The second is Bogdan and Wiklund's data analysis model. Bogdan and Wiklund said that qualitative data analysis is an effort made by working with data, organizing data, sorting it into manageable units, synthesizing it, looking for finding patterns, finding what matters and what to learn, and decide what to tell others. Bogdan and Biklen's model was carried out by data analysis and file interpretation, analysis and interpretation after data collection, and developing coding categories. That's all I have, especially my group, and thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.